We just came back from the art show and I feel quite hungry because we are walking around for 2 hours. Quick egg dish, Gyeran-Jjim, the steamed egg. It's really good for a nice snack because it's all protein. To have it with like a nice wine or a beer or a glass of soju. It's not really like kind of steamed as like conventional way. We use 뚝배기. It's a Korean pot that keeps the temperature in. So these are what we need for this egg. Boiled egg, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of water, salt, ginger powder, and this is green onion. And then this is a small shrimp the size of like this. So first, 2 eggs. So once the egg comes down like this, nicely, this process is done. So in order to make the egg more soft, I'm going to use this mesh strainer and I'm going to pour the egg onto another bowl. Now I'm going to prepare some green onions. So lastly, we are going to put 1/8 teaspoon of salt and ginger powder. This is what it calls a 뚝배기. It's really popular like a Korean cooking pot. It's a cup of water. This is the ginger powder and salt that we prepared. Start boiling up. So once they start boils up, still on a high heat, we are going to pour eggs and stir it. Go down to low heat. And we are going to just leave it for 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute, we will put our shrimps in and stir it again. And leave it for 2 to 3 minutes with the cover up. It is possible it can boil out, so just keep an eye on it. Anyhow, this is our 2 minutes and I'm going to put some green. Okay, this is our last minute, so it's done. And I even moved out of the stove. It's still boiling because of this particular pot what it calls 뚝배기 keeps the temperatures for a while. I use more water than usual because I wanted to have like a nice soup feeling. I'm not having it with rice. Anju. So I hope you enjoyed making it and see you in the next video. Bye.